beginning of the 20th century, the automobile industry experienced rapid growth, transforming cars from a rarity into an everyday necessity. In 1900, there were only about 8,000 cars on the roads of the United States. But by 1940, that number had surpassed 27 million. In Europe, the growth was also significant. In 1922, the United Kingdom produced around 73,000 cars, and by 1937, production had nearly reached 500,000. Thanks to Henry Ford's innovations and the introduction of assembly line manufacturing, cars became more affordable, leading to an explosion in demand. However, this boom had unexpected consequences. As the number of automobiles increased, so did the number of accidents. In the early decades of the 20th century, infrastructure was not yet designed for heavy traffic. Traffic signs and signals were just beginning to appear, and both drivers and pedestrians were still unfamiliar with the new rules of the road. Thus, automobiles not only revolutionized the economy and daily life, but also introduced new challenges to society. Now, let's take a journey into the past. Take a look at these vintage photographs that capture the spirit of that era. Early automobiles, traffic congestion on narrow streets, the first attempts at traffic regulation, and even some of the earliest recorded accidents. How do you think driving a car back then compared to today? Share your thoughts in the comments.